Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. You all are safe at your places. So today, this is a special video for all of us, for all of you people also, and this is a video that is in a kind of revision format, right? Now, why we are doing this? Because there is a completion of 10 years of our social security schemes that we have. So now today we are going to cover three sub schemes under your major scheme, that is your Jan Suraksha scheme. And when I talk about Jan Suraksha scheme, that specifically refers to what? That specifically refers to catering those individuals who are in need of it, providing welfare opportunities, providing welfare schemes to those individuals who are in need of it, right? So under it we'll cover three sub schemes today, which is first your Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, then you have Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and then you have Atal Pension Yojana. So watching at these three schemes, you will get to know that here the main objective is clear, that we are providing benefit to those individuals who are in need of it. So these are your social security benefits that we are providing to them. Social security benefits which we are providing to them in the means of, or in the form of what? In the form of welfare schemes. In the form of welfare schemes. All right. Now, if you see these three schemes, you will find two objectives here. One is your insurance, and another one is what? Another one is your pension, right? So we are providing welfare schemes to those individuals, but the criteria, and I would say the objective is clear here, that we are providing them first insurance coverage, you know, those insurance benefits which are easy to get, which are affordable in manner, and which was accessible by each and every individual. And specifically talking here about those individuals who cannot afford these many schemes, or when I talk about the private schemes that we have. पेंशन है, पेंशन इज अ सेपरेट पार्ट. बट जब मैं इंश्योरेंस की बात करती हूँ, चाहे वो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की बात हो, चाहे वो एक्सीडेंटल इंश्योरेंस की बात हो, सो उनको प्राइवेट कंपनीज से उनको कवरेज लेना is not affordable for each and every individual. So is the reason that government has taken a major step in providing benefits to those individuals who are not in a let's consider, who are not in a firm of getting it. So यहाँ पे we have प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, which will provide them what? Which will provide them accidental insurance. ठीक है? Which will provide them accidental insurance. Accidental insurance. Next, we have Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Since Jeevan is here, so we get to know that this is an insurance which is related to life. Okay, so this is life insurance. Bima is what? Bima is insurance. Bima is insurance. Then we have Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension means which is unshakable. If you even try to shake it, which will remain which will remain rigid. So this ensures us that this particular scheme is providing pension for all, right? So thus we have Atal Pension Yojana. Now these many schemes, your Jan Suraksha schemes, have completed its 10 years. So it started right in 2015, and now we see we are in a period of 2025, and in the coming slides we'll see that what it has achieved in the period of 10 years, what it has achieved exactly. We'll see the numbers, we'll see with the proper proof the numbers that we have, numbers which have been released by the ministry. We'll see those numbers also, and then taking care of those numbers only, we'll analyze that what is the exact position. Now, if you want to connect with me, if you have any doubt related to your preparation, related to your life, that where now my college has been completed, my school has been completed, now where to go ahead. If you have any query that is related to your life, related to your academics, you can just connect to me via my Telegram channel, which is Economy with Payal. And if you join it, you will see a link there of my mail ID. You will find a mail ID there. You can connect me to that as well. Now, next, starting with Jan Suraksha, schemes that we have. That is what securing the unsecured. So this is one of the main aim or objective of this particular scheme. Securing those individuals who are not in a good position, as in giving benefit to those individuals who cannot afford the schemes, who cannot afford the pension benefits that we have, then insurance, then other let's consider other opportunities as well, other benefits as well. So we want to secure that part of the society which is still unsecured, and we want to provide them, we want to offer them welfare help. Okay, अब ये कब लॉन्च हुआ था? So this was launched in the month of May. The date was 9th of May 2015, and it has completed 10 years. It has completed 10 years, and we are going to analyze that what has we achieved. Then securing the unsecured means we are very much capable of providing them life as well as accidental insurance and pension also to the vulnerable sector of the society, to those individuals who are enrolled in the unorganized group, and to those individuals who are underprivileged sections of the society. So we have three categories here, and we are highly focusing on them. Now, starting with the Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Okay, Jeevan Jyoti means that here it is what? It is your life insurance. It is a life insurance. So अब यहाँ पे taking care of the insurance, now specifically taking care of the insurance. So जब भी हम कार परचेज करते हैं, जब भी हम हाउस परचेज करते हैं, so हम उसकी एक बार इंश्योरेंस करते हैं. क्यों? Because no one knows that when mishappening can take place. So for protecting ourselves from those mishappenings, it is very important that you take care, you take insurance. And it is also very important that you take your insurance as well, because you're working so hard for yourself, for your family. And it is very, very important that you take care, of the insurance. It is very necessary that you take your insurance. So one, how, life threatens us. What are the cases that are associated with it? When I talk about the body itself, so अगर body में कोई disease हो जाता है या फिर कोई भी specifically those things which are related to life, so that is your life insurance. If in any case you've met accident on the road, and whatever injuries you've got, so we have separate insurance for that purpose as well. So one is your life insurance, next is your Suraksha Bima, which provides you accidental insurance, right? सो अब मैं अगर बात करूँ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की, सो ये क्या है? इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस फॉर ऑल. This is the meaning of what? This is the meaning of Jan Suraksha, schemes that we have. And what is the cost that is associated with it? अब मैंने अगर आपको बोला कि ये तो देखो ये स्कीम है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट जो है वो हाईली फोकस्ड है, सो वाचिंग दिस थिंग ओनली, हियरिंग दिस थिंग ओनली, you got to know that okay, this is what will be provided at a very, very low cost, right? So कॉस्ट का प्रॉपर एनालिसिस हम आने वाली स्लाइड्स में करेंगे, बट फर्स्टली इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी द ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर टू यू. So we are providing here life insurance to the vulnerable section of society, to those individuals who are enrolled in the unorganized sector, and to those individuals who are not able to afford it, and to those individuals to whom it is not accessible, right? Now it covers the death due to any of the cause. So the cause is not mentioned here कि अच्छा अगर ये बीमारी होगी तभी आपको इंश्योरेंस मिलेगी. It can be through any cause, but providing them insurance is the major key here. Now, what are the features? So what is the type of cover here? That is life insurance. Similarly, when I talk about Suraksha Bima Yojana, so that is what the type here is accidental insurance. So the type also varies. Okay, coverage यहाँ पे कितना है? That is of 2 lakh on death. If you've met, if because of any disease you've met the death, so the coverage of 2 lakh will be provided to you. The reason is not specified here. It can be through any of the causes. Tenure कितना है? It is 1 year, and it is renewable annually. Renewable annually as in कि you have to renew it. Okay, you have to renew it annually. अगर एक साल के लिए आपने इंश्योरेंस दिया, आपने 400 समथिंग रुपीज एक साल के लिए पे करे for the 12 months, for the period of 12 months, and when 12 months are completed, right, उसके बाद आपको इसको renew करना पड़ेगा. Means that you again have to pay 400 something rupees to make sure that your insurance goes on for another year. Okay, and similarly followed by the other years as well. Tenure, I've already told you, now it is administered by, your LIC one and other life insurers through the banks as well as post offices also. So it is very important that you should have, yourself enrolled in the banks and the post offices as well. एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है? सो 15 to 50 years की जो एज है वो होनी चाहिए. अकाउंट होल्डर आप होने चाहिए बैंक या फिर पोस्ट ऑफिस में, विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर टू यू. Watching and reading, telling you this thing only, that it is administered by LIC and other life insurer through post office as well as banks also. Now it give, you have to must give, it at, your assent for what? For, consent for the ऑटो डेबिट. ऑटो डेबिट मीन्स कि जैसे हमने बात करी कि 436 रुपीज आर फॉर 12 months ऑफ कवरेज, राइट. 12 months के लिए अगर आपको लाइफ इंश्योरेंस चाहिए, सो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू पे 436 रुपीज. नाउ कंसीडरिंग दैट द पीरियड हैज बीन ओवर, okay, now it goes right from June to what, to next of May. ठीक है, सो पीरियड जो है वो इतने का ही चलता है. नाउ कंसीडरिंग दैट द पीरियड हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है, द पीरियड हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड एंड you have to ensure this thing. You have to ensure, 1 minute. One second, let me have my water. All right. So I was on this thing that it goes right from June to May. That is clear, right? From 1 June to 31st of May, right? So when you see that the whole year, the 12 months have been completed, then after that, after the completion of 12 months, you again have to pay what? You again have to pay 430 rupees just to ensure that your life coverage, scheme continues. Okay, that is, for the following years, for the rest of the years, this thing, particularly this thing, remains same. So only one enrollment per individual can be taken into consideration. Otherwise you cannot even, taking care of myself only, taking myself as an example कि मेरा नाम क्या है, पायल है. ठीक है, अब मेरा पास क्या है कि मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स है, मेरे पास पोस्ट ऑफिस या फिर बैंक्स में मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स हैं. बट मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती कि मैं अपने नाम से बहुत सारे जो मैं अपने नाम से, दो आई हैव डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स, मैं क्या करूंगी, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अकाउंट से इस स्कीम के अंदर एनरोल कर लूंगी. नहीं, you have to enroll yourself only one time. Okay, that is your one time only. One time as in कि I am one. So मेरा जो enrollment है वो एक ही रहना चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि पायल के नाम से multiple accounts खुले हों. This is not something that has to be provided. Then when I talk about premium, so I've already told you that if you have taken a coverage of 12 months, so you have to pay what? You have to pay 436 annually. 436 annually, and that is the reason it has been specifically mentioned here that it is the benefit that is provided to you, it is even less than 2 rupee per day. Okay, now the month variation varies here. समझ लीजिए कि आपने जो है वो कवरेज लिया 12 months का, so you have to pay 436 rupees. This is for 12 months. ठीक है, this is for 12 months, and the period and the insurance goes right from the period is what, 1 June से लेके 31st ऑफ मई तक. ठीक है, राइट फ्रॉम 1 जून टू 31st मई. अब अगर आप जून अगस्त के आसपास लेते हो, so that means your there is a complete coverage of 12 months. If you are taking right in September या फिर November, so the here is what the period gets less down, and you have to pay 342 rupees only for the period of 9 months. Okay, if you are taking, if you're enrolling yourself in the scheme for in the period of December से लेके February तक, so you have to pay what? You have to pay 228 rupees. That is for 6 months. Then you have, if you are enrolling yourself in the period of March to May, so अब यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगर आप मार्च से लेके मई तक कर रहे हो, so यहाँ पे there is a period of 3 months only, then you have to pay only 114 rupees. Now we have a line period here. ठीक है, that is your lean period, and few call it another way as well. Now specifically talking about the lean period क्या है कि आपको एक टाइम गैप दिया जाएगा. समझ लीजिए कि आपने इस मंथ में enroll करा, अब आपको 30 डेज के लिए 30 डेज के लिए क्या करा जाएगा, कोई भी बेनिफिट इसका आपको नहीं प्रोवाइड करा जाएगा। नाउ व्हाई दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज हियर, बिकॉज नो वन नोस, कई अब इंडिविजुअल्स क्या करते हैं कि उनको जो प्रॉब्लम है वो पहले से होती है, ठीक है, अब वो फटाफट से लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ले लेते हैं, ताकि जो है अगर वो उस पीरियड, थोड़े पीरियड के गैप में भी अगर उनकी डेथ हो जाती है तो उनको पूरा कवरेज मिल जाएगा। Now, looking at this problem, the initiative or the step was taken कि हम यहाँ पे एक लीन पीरियड रखेंगे जहाँ पे हम 30 डेज के लिए, जैसे उन्होंने एनरोलमेंट करा, जैसे मैंने आज एनरोलमेंट करा है, तो 30 डेज के लिए आपको कोई भी बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड नहीं करा जाएगा इफ यू हैव एनी ऑफ द लॉस दैट इज रिलेटेड टू योर लाइफ। ओके, इस चीज को सॉल्व करने के लिए, इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव लीन पीरियड दैट इज विद अस। 30 डेज के अंदर अंदर अगर आपकी डेथ हो जाती है तो आपको कोई भी बेनिफिट इसका प्रोवाइड नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू टू हैव नॉट टोल्ड अस अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम दैट यू हैड। अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं अचीवमेंट की बात करूँ, सो यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट टोटल एनरोलमेंट्स यहाँ पे कितने हैं, दैट इज 23.63 करोड़। जो settlements which claims which have been already settled, that is 9,19,896. Amount that has been paid here, that is 18,397.92 crore. And when I talk about the female subscribers, so we have 10.66 female subscribers crore, 10.66 crore female subscribers here. And specifically talking about the Jan Dhan Yojana linked subscribers that we have, that is 7.08 crore. So, Jan Dhan account itself says that it is very mandatory that you should have bank account, either, bank account or, account in the post office. So we have, again, linked it with the digitalization as well, just to ensure that we are going more effective with it. So for that purpose, we have Jan Suraksha portal. It has eased the enrollment process. It has eased the ease of doing business, as in कि लोगों को उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता अब एक्सेस करने में, ठीक है, अगर उनको एक्सेस करना है किसी भी चीज को तो उनको उतना प्रॉब्लम जो है वो नहीं देखने को मिलता है। और अगर उनको सेटलमेंट भी लेना है, अगर उनको क्लेम का सेटलमेंट भी लेना है, सो दैट प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी इन अ मैनर। दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव अचीव्ड इन 10 years, right? Whatever we have discussed, this is the graph of it. ठीक है, year wise progress under the Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. You can just see the numbers by yourself. Then we have cumulative numbers, as in cumulative numbers has been the total sum of the numbers, right? So you can see the numbers on your screen as well. Second scheme we have is on Suraksha Bima Yojana. Now the previous one was entirely dependent on the life insurance. This is on the accidental insurance. This is on the accidental insurance, right? अब अगर मैं एक्सीडेंटल इंश्योरेंस की बात करूँ, तो यहाँ पे कवरेज क्या है, यू जस्ट हैव टू पे 20 रुपी पर ईयर, not even in hundreds. This is just in 20 rupees. The coverage is, the premium is 20 rupees per year. What is the objective? That if there is any individual who've met the accident, death and disability, because of any case, specifically because of the accident, so a coverage, a help should be provided to that particular individual. अब type of cover क्या है? So it is accidental insurance. Coverage उसमें क्या है? So it is 2 lakh for death, or if the person have got fully disabled, and if there is a partial disability, so 1 lakh for that partial disability will be provided to that particular individual. Again, you have to renew it. So if you've paid 20 rupee for a particular year, if you want it to continue the another year as well, you have to pay 20 rupee again. Now it is administered by whom? It is administered by public sector general insurance company and other insurances also, insurers also, and you have to ensure that you have bank account in the bank or post offices. यहाँ पे एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है? सो योर एज शुड बी between 18 से लेके 70 years तक। बैंक और पोस्ट ऑफिस में आपका जो अकाउंट है वो होना चाहिए। कंसेंट फॉर द ऑटो डेबिट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड अगेन ओनली वन इंडिविजुअल कैन एनरोल इट फॉर द वन टाइम ओनली। प्रीमियम यहाँ पे कितना है? दैट इज जस्ट योर 20 rupees, just equivalent to a packet of chips, right? Now when I talk about the premium that has to be the sum that has been insured here, So if you've met death or full disability, so 2 lakh will be provided to you. ठीक है. Full disability includes what, total and irrecoverable loss of both of the eyes, both of the hands, and both of the feet. So this shows that you have gone fully, disabled. So a coverage will be provided to you of 2 lakh. Loss of sight of one eye and one foot is also, if this is the case, you will be provided with 2 lakh only. Loss of only one eye or one foot. Okay. Now here it includes both your eye as well and hand and foot as well. Here only one is provided. Okay, provided as in only one should be the case, either eye or hand. So 1 lakh will be provided for this particular purpose. Achievements kya hai? So what we have achieved in 10 years in this particular Suraksha Bima Yojana. So the total enrollments is 51.06 crore. Claim that has been settled here, that is 1,57,155. Amount that has been paid here is your 3,121.02 crore. Female subscribers, so we have 23.87 crore female subscribers that we have. And Jandhan linked accounts kitne hai? So we have 17.12 crore. Right. Now here is what has been given in the detailed form, in the form of data itself, so you can just see by yourself. Cumulative number of claims that has been dispersed. It is the data that has been provided to you. Now we are moving towards the another yojana that we have, that is specifically related to your pension yojana. जो हमने प्रीवियस योजनास देखे थे वो किसके रिलेटेड थे? वो थे रिलेटेड हमारे बीमा के, हमारे इंश्योरेंस के. Now this is related to the pension. Now Atal Bima Yojana. Atal means that is the unshakable. Even if you try to shake it, that will remain rigid. And this shows and this ensures that I am providing pension to all. That means pension for all, right? अब ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? अब देखो जो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में है उनको तो पेंशन मिल जाएगी, but what about those individuals who are a part of unorganized sector? So the aim is providing post-retirement facility, especially to those individuals who are in the unorganized sector, as in who are unorganized workers. अब यहाँ पे key features क्या है? So defined pension plan is there. जो पेंशन रेंज है वो कितनी होगी? So 1,000 से लेके 5,000 per month is guaranteed. It is administered by your PFRDA and NPS framework as well. And the focus is what? And the focus is on those individuals who cannot afford it. Those individuals who are in the sector of unorganized sector and those individuals who come under the category of low income groups. Eligibility क्या है? So your age should be in between 18 से लेके 40 years तक. You should have a bank account either in the bank or post office. जो इंडिविजुअल है ना वो टैक्स स्लैब के अंदर नहीं आना चाहिए, एज इन उसको जो है वो इनकम टैक्स पेयर नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट ओनली शोज कि जो इंडिविजुअल है उसके पास उतना पैसा नहीं है, देन ओनली वी विल प्रोवाइड हिम बेनिफिट्स. Now this shows that government is focusing on equity rather than equality. Okay. Now the contribution also is dependent on the age at the entry and pension amount that has been chosen. Now it is so extended in a manner and it is in another concept, right? अब कंट्रीब्यूशन की अगर मैं बात करूँ, सो इट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 3. या तो आप मंथली कंट्रीब्यूशन कर दो, या तो आप हाफ ईयरली कर दो, या तो फिर आप क्वार्टरली कर दो. अब गवर्नमेंट क्या था पहले सिंस इट हैज स्टार्टेड in 2015 for the 5 years till 2020, government also co-initiated in it, co-contributed in it. या तो वो इक्वल हाफ ऑफ अमाउंट जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूट करते थे, या तो कुछ अमाउंट कंट्रीब्यूट कर देती थी, स्पेशली इनिशियली इन द इयर्स, इनिशियली इन द एलिजिबल सब्सक्राइबर्स. दैट वाज एंटायरली राइट फ्रॉम 2015 till 2020 for 5 years of coverage. अब फैसिलिटीज क्या प्रोवाइड करवाई जाती हैं? इफ इन केस देयर इज अ डेथ ऑफ द सब्सक्राइबर, सो उसके स्पाउस को जो फैसिलिटी है वो दी जाएगी, सेम पेंशन दी जाएगी. After both dies, so corpus will be returned to the nominee only. Early exit अगर आप करते हो, अगर आप टाइम पीरियड खत्म होने से पहले अगर आप एग्जिट कर लेते हो, so it allows under the condition that government co-contribution is there and interest is also deducted in a manner. Now what we have achieved till 10 years, so the subscribers that we have is 7.66 crore. Female subscribers हमारे पास approximately 47% है, ठीक है. Now, this particular Atal Pension Yojana is helping to build a pensioned society, reducing old age vulnerability in India's massive unorganized sector or workforce that we have, right? This is the objective here. अब हमने इसको डिजिटलाइजेशन के साथ भी कनेक्ट करा है, so we have सुरक्षा portal here which ensure that there is an easiness in the enrollments, in the auto debit authorization and in the claim processing as well, right? Now, if you see the impact in 10 years, so this is the data that I've compiled here of different three schemes that we have. One is your Jyoti Jeevan Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, and another one that we have is Atal Pension Yojana. So this is the data that we have. You can just see it by yourself. I've just explained you each and everything. This is just a crux of it, right? Now, the program of the scheme, the progress of the scheme, basically, the cumulative enrollments that we have. So, as per March 31, 2025, so we have what? We have the data shows as 761, right? Now, what is the purpose that have been fulfilled? So, focusing on the low income workers, specifically focusing on the unorganized sector. This is the major objective that has been achieved here. Now, this is the final thought. You can just, see by yourself. This is what I have, made in crux. Now, coming on to the question on three schemes that we have. So I'll repeat the statement, then I'll come on, with the questions itself. You have to see and tell me which one is the correct answer. So in line with the government of India's push for, universal social security, a financial inclusion that is based life insurance scheme was launched in 2015. Now it was targeting low income and unorganized sector individuals. The scheme that has been offered by LIC and other approved insurance providers as well, is implementing through participating bank and post offices. Now, this specific scheme provides a life cover of 2 lakh in the event of subscriber's death due to any cause. Now, it's a renewable, on an annual, basis, and the premium is in auto debit mode from the subscriber saving account. Notably, the subscribers can only enroll once itself, only if they hold multiple accounts or post offices, right? Now, the age eligibility for this scheme is from B, years, and the enrollment period for each policy year is from C. In cases of late enrollments, a pro rata premium system is followed when a subscriber joining between March and May pays only D. Additionally, E-day lean period applies from the date of enrollment during which death due to non-accidental cost is not covered. Now, as of April 2025, over 23.63 crore individuals have enrolled under this particular scheme. Under 18,397.92 crore disbursed across 9.19 lakh claims. Now, proving its vital role in offering timely financial assistance to bereaved, your families. Now, I'm, keeping in front of you the first question. You have to answer it. The above case study refers to which of the government schemes aim at providing annual renewable life insurance to account holders through banks and post offices at an affordable premium. So, which one is the correct one? Is it A, B, C, D, E? You can do a thing, you can just pause the video and mark the correct answer. By that time, I will tell you. Okay. The correct answer here is your Jyoti Jeevan Bima Yojana, right? Next question. What is the correct annual premium amount for the life insurance scheme? Correct. So the correct answer here is C, which is 436, right? What is the minimum and maximum age eligibility to enroll in this particular scheme? Which one is the correct answer? Correct. So the correct answer we have is right from 18 years till 50 years. Next question, what is the time window for annual enrollment under this particular scheme? Correct. So I told you that right from 1st June to what? Till 31st of May, right? What is the pro rata premium payable for enrollment in March, April or May? Correct. So the correct answer is what? The correct answer is 114, right? Now, coming on to the next question. So this is a particular scheme which is a government backed scheme, was launched to provide accidental insurance coverage at an extremely affordable premium. The scheme is available to individuals that is age, that are aged right from 18 to what years, provided they maintain a bank or post office account and give consent for auto debit. Now the scheme offers a 1 year cover, renewable, every year, and is administered by public sector general insurer, insurance companies and other approved general, insurance providers as well. Now, under this particular scheme, a premium of just B per annum is auto debited in one installment from the account holder's saving account. The scheme provides rupees 2 lakh of coverage in case of accidental death. Where is that gone? Okay, or total and irrecoverable loss of both of the eyes or both hands and feet, and C in case of loss of one eye or one foot. Now, as per the official data, till April 2025, over D crore of people have enrolled in this particular scheme, and over rupees 3,121.02 crore has been paid against 1,57,155 claims. Out of these, crore are female account holders. Now, you tell me which one is the correct answer of the first question that we have. Correct. So the first answer of this question is what? Your Suraksha Bima Yojana. Where has it gone? Right. Okay, Suraksha Bima Yojana. Right. What is the correct value of blank A? Till this age to what age? So that is what? That is your 70, right? Next question. What is the correct value of B? कितना एनुअल प्रीमियम देना पड़ता था? सो हमने देखा था कि 20 रुपीज जो है आपको एनुअल प्रीमियम में देने पड़ने थे. सो दैट द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज बी, राइट. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वैल्यू ऑफ ब्लैंक सी? पार्शियल डिसेबिलिटी बेनिफिट हो तो कितना देना पड़ता था? Yes, the correct answer is what? The correct answer is 1 lakh. What is the correct value of D? Total enrollments as per April 2025. What are the total enrollments here? Correct. So we have 51.06 crore, right? Now, what is the correct value of E? You have to tell me about the female enrollments that we have. So the female enrollments that we have is 23.87 crore. Last question. To ensure old age income security for workers in the informal sector, the Government of India launched a pension scheme that is targeting individuals not covered under the formal pension system. Administered by A, this scheme provides subscribers with a guaranteed minimum monthly pension ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 depending on the contribution level. Now, eligibility is limited to bank account holders between B years of age who are not income taxpayers. Contribution can be made on a monthly, quarterly, and half-yearly basis as well. Now, upon reaching the age of C, the subscriber begins receiving the pension. After the subscriber's death, the spouse receives the pension, and after both of them dies, the accumulated corpus is just returned to D. As of April 29, 2025, more than 8 crore individuals have enrolled in the scheme, with women constituting about 47% of all the subscribers. Now, tell me about the scheme I am talking about here. Very clear, very, very clear with the scheme, that is Atal Pension Yojana. Now, what is the correct value of B? Which administration body am I talking about? So, I'm talking about Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Then you have about the eligible age group here. So that is what? Right from 18 years to 40 years. Okay. Next question, what is the pension age? When it starts. So it starts from what? Pension age, right? Enrollment age, pension age. So pensions, government starts giving you pension from the age of 60. Now, what is the correct value of blank D? When? Who gets a corpus after subscribers and deaths, spouse's death? So, the nominee is the one who gets benefit of it. What is the correct value of E? Total enrollment as of 29th April 2025. Which one is the correct option here? Yes, so the correct option is 7.66 crore, right? So, all right, that is it in today's video. I hope each and everything is clear, crystal clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comment section itself. And I hope, and I'm very sure that I'll be able to I'll just make ensure that I'll cater, each and everyone's doubt. So all right, I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care, and take care of yourself, and bye bye. I'll meet you in the next one, and keep revising. Okay, bye bye.